हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक योर ओन यूट्यूब चैनल योर ओन पाठशाला ज्योतिशाला। तो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सभी? आशा करती हूँ आप सभी अच्छे ही हो और अपनी पढ़ाई जोर शोर से कर रहे हो। हियर आई एम एट ब्लॉसम कैंपस एंड दिस इज द स्टोरी टाइम. टुडे इज द Mahabharata 22nd episode. Let's proceed with the Mahabharata story. Friends, those who are new to my channel and if you are not subscribed to my channel until now, then what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel right now, and if you like it, please like and share with your friends. Also let me know in the comment section as to what kind of videos you would like me to upload it for you. Let's proceed with the Mahabharata 22nd episode. Discrimination between the body and soul. The body is a field. Arjun now asked, what is life? And the soul, and what is it that we know or think that we know? Krishna told him, the body is the field in which people live and where our likes, dislikes, pleasure, will and intelligence originate. The soul sees it and knows it, but above all else, in knowing me, you gain knowledge of this field. I will make you understand in a nutshell all that you want to know about the field and about my powers. Knowledge of the field. He said, earth, fire, wind, water, selfishness, and the intellect, the senses, desire, hatred, pleasure, pain, persistence, and the body, these make the field of life. Real knowledge of this field lies in humility, non-violence, tolerance, simplicity, self-control, and steadfastness. Perception of birth, death, old age, disease, and peace of mind is favorable in favorable and unfavorable circumstances. Meditation in solitude and understanding of the self, the Atma and God. Anything contrary to it is ignorance. The Supreme Brahman. I will now speak to you about the Supreme Brahman, God who is beyond cause and effect, from whom all life emerges without the senses, yet shining through them. He is inside and outside all beings, and though far away is very near. God has form and is also formless. He resides in every heart. This is the wide field of God. Nature and spirit, Krishna said, are both eternal. Nature is the cause of all material activities and effects, and spirits is the cause of the experience of all sufferings and enjoyments through the physical body. Nature is the cause of all life and death, yet the individual is part of God. He who thus knows spirit and nature along with its threefold qualities is not born again. In whichever way that person leads his life, some see the self through meditation, some through worship, and some others through selfless action or karma yoga. There are also those who do not know these means and hear about the self and from others. They also pass beyond death. Krishna told Arjuna, if you follow all that has been explained to you, it will be easy for you to understand that whatever object, animate or inanimate, is produced, it is through the union of the field and the knower of the field. God is the only reality as He abides in all beings. He does not die when they die. One who sees God abiding alike everywhere and does not like the self reaches the supreme state. That person sees that work is done only through nature and realizes that it is not him or her that does it. Those who see that it is not him or her that does it. Those who see that the diverse existence of all beings is centered in one and that all evolution is from that one alone attains Brahman. Though this self dwells in the body, neither does it act nor it is strained, nor is it stained by action. It is like the air that is a part of everything, but yet retains its purity. The self within everything illumines them as the sun illumines the whole world. See you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye. And of course, क्योंकि पढ़ेगा इंडिया तभी तो बढ़ेगा इंडिया. Bye bye.